In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate and utilize Google to access Mailchimp's Creative Assistant feature. We'll go through the process step by step, ensuring that you have everything you need to start making the most of your email marketing campaigns. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go to Mailchimp's website. For those who might not be familiar, Mailchimp is a powerful tool designed to make email marketing straightforward and user-friendly. It's packed with a variety of features that help you create professional email campaigns effortlessly. Once you've arrived on the Mailchimp homepage, take a moment to log in using your credentials if you haven't already. If you're new to Mailchimp, setting up an account is pretty straightforward, and their website does a great job of guiding you through the process. Now, after you're logged in, direct your attention to the main navigation menu at the top of the screen. Here, you'll see various options like campaigns, automation, and so on. What you're looking for is the content section. Clicking on this will expand a drop-down menu with a selection of features to choose from. You're going to want to find and click on Creative Assistant. The Creative Assistant is a versatile feature that can simplify your design process. It's perfect for those who may not have a design background yet want to create visually appealing marketing assets. By leveraging the Creative Assistant, you can swiftly align your marketing materials with your brand's aesthetic. Once you've clicked on Creative Assistant, you're presented with a few options on how to proceed with your projects. You can either import your existing brand elements if you've got them ready, such as your brand logo, fonts, and colors, or you can opt to create a new brand setup within Mailchimp. Additionally, for those who wish to experiment, there are sample brands that you can try out. These samples provide a fantastic way to explore design possibilities without the commitment. After selecting how you'd like to proceed, the Creative Assistant takes your chosen elements or sample and begins crafting designs that suit your brand's style. The real beauty of this tool lies in its ability to streamline the creative process, offering mock-ups and suggestions that maintain a professional edge while staying true to your brand's vision. And just like that, with a few simple steps, you've successfully learned how to locate and begin utilizing the Creative Assistant in Mailchimp through Google. It's that easy. By taking advantage of this feature, you'll be able to produce compelling email campaigns that captivate your audience, all while reinforcing your brand identity. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps enhance your email marketing efforts. Feel free to explore all the features Mailchimp has to offer, and I'll see you in the next video.